Have you ever felt like you're constantly switching between apps just to get through your workday? Maybe your tasks are in Todoist, your notes are in Notion, your meetings are in Google Calendar, and your ideas are scattered across random documents. Before you know it, you're spending more time managing your productivity system than actually getting work done. That's exactly the problem Routine is trying to solve. Instead of giving you another to-do list app, Routine brings your calendar, tasks, notes, meetings, and AI features together in one workspace. The goal is simple: help you organize your entire workday without jumping between 5 different apps. But the real question is, does it actually replace all those tools, or is it just another productivity app with a few AI features? In this video, I'm going to give you a complete hands-on review of Routine. I'll show you every major feature, explain how everything works, share what I genuinely liked, point out the things that could be improved, and finally tell you whether it's actually worth using in 2026. So if you're a freelancer, student, content creator, startup founder, or someone who wants a better way to manage work, this review will help you decide whether Routine is the right tool for you. Let's get started. Now that we've talked about what Routine claims to do, let's open the app and see how it actually works. The first thing I noticed after logging in was how clean and simple the dashboard looks. Everything is well organized, and there aren't too many buttons or menus on the screen. It doesn't feel confusing at all. If you've used apps like Notion, Todoist, or any other productivity tool before, you'll feel comfortable using Routine, but it also has its own unique design and workflow. On the left side, you'll see the main navigation menu. From here, you can quickly open your inbox, calendar, tasks, notes, meetings, and projects. I like this layout because everything is easy to find. You don't have to keep opening different apps just to manage your work. Another thing I noticed is that the app is very fast. Moving between different sections feels smooth, and everything loads quickly. That's important because a productivity app should help you save time, not waste it. Let's start with the inbox. The inbox is where you can quickly save anything that comes to your mind. For example, if you suddenly remember a task while working, you don't need to decide where to put it right away. Just add it to the inbox and you can organize it later. It may sound like a small feature, but it makes a big difference because you never lose your ideas. Now let's create a new task. Creating a task is very easy. I'll click on New Task and type something like Finish YouTube Script. After creating the task, I can add a due date, set a priority, write extra notes, attach files, or move it into a project. If you're working on different clients or multiple projects, this helps keep everything organized. One thing I really like is that Routine doesn't force you to work in one specific way. You can organize your tasks however you like. You can use projects, labels, priorities, deadlines, or simply keep everything inside the inbox until you're ready to organize it. Because of this flexibility, Routine works well for freelancers, students, content creators, business owners, and even small teams. Now let's look at projects. Projects help you group related tasks together. For example, if you run a YouTube channel, you could create separate projects for script writing, video editing, thumbnails, sponsorships, and social media. Inside each project, you can add as many tasks as you want. This makes it much easier to manage your work because everything stays in one place. Instead of searching through a long list of tasks, you can simply open the project you're working on. I also like that the project section is simple. Some productivity apps include so many settings that they become difficult to use. Routine keeps everything clean and easy to understand while still giving you all the features you need. Now let's move to one of my favorite features, the calendar. The calendar isn't just for showing meetings. Routine uses the calendar as the center of your daily planning. When I open the calendar, I can immediately see my schedule for the day. The layout is clean, easy to read, and doesn't feel crowded. You can connect your Google Calendar, Outlook Calendar, or iCloud Calendar in just a few steps. Once you connect your account, all of your meetings and events appear automatically. That means you don't have to create everything again. One feature I really like is time blocking. Instead of keeping your tasks in a simple list, you can drag a task directly onto your calendar. For example, if I need to edit a video, I can drag that task to 2 p.m. and block 2 hours for it. Now I know exactly when I'm going to work on it. This is much better than making a long to-do list and hoping you'll finish everything by the end of the day. Time blocking helps you plan your day more clearly. As someone who creates YouTube content, I can block separate time for research, script writing, recording, editing, and uploading videos. This makes my workflow much more organized. Another nice thing is that everything stays connected. If I change the time of a task, the calendar updates automatically. I don't have to edit it in multiple places. These small improvements save a lot of time when you're using the app every day. So far, my experience with Routine has been very positive. The interface is clean, the app is fast, task management is simple, and the calendar works really well. Who should use Routine? After using Routine and exploring its features, I think this tool is best for people who want everything in one place instead of using multiple apps. If you're a freelancer managing different clients, Routine can help you organize your tasks, meetings, and deadlines without feeling overwhelmed. If you're a content creator or YouTuber, you can use it to plan video ideas, write scripts, schedule recording sessions, and keep track of your publishing calendar. For startup founders and small teams, it's a great option because everyone can stay on the same page and manage projects together. Students can also benefit from Routine by organizing assignments, class schedules, study notes, and exam dates. However, if you only need a very basic to-do list and don't care about calendars, notes, or AI features, then Routine might offer more than you actually need. What I liked about Routine. After spending some time with the app, here are the things I liked the most. First, the interface is clean and modern. Everything is easy to find and it doesn't feel confusing. Second, the app is fast. Pages load quickly and moving between different sections feels smooth. The calendar integration is one of my favorite features because it works really well with Google Calendar and makes planning your day much easier. I also like the time blocking feature. Instead of just writing down tasks, you actually schedule time to complete them. The AI features are useful, especially for meeting summaries and organizing information. Another big advantage is that tasks, notes, meetings, and your calendar all work together in one place. That means you don't have to keep switching between different apps throughout the day. Things that could be better. Of course, no software is perfect. If you've never used a productivity app before, it may take a little time to understand how everything works. Some of the best AI features are only available in the paid plans, so free users won't get the complete experience. If you're already heavily invested in tools like Notion or ClickUp, moving all your existing work into Routine could take some effort. Also, because Routine includes so many features, some people might only end up using a small part of what it offers. These aren't major problems, but they're worth keeping in mind before you decide to switch. Is Routine actually worth it? So, is Routine worth using? In my opinion, yes, but it depends on how you work. If you're someone who uses separate apps for tasks, notes, calendars, and meetings, Routine can save you a lot of time by bringing everything together in one workspace. The app feels polished, it's easy to use, and the overall experience is smooth. If I had to give Routine a rating, I'd give it 9 out of 10. It has a clean design, useful AI features, excellent calendar integration, and a workflow that makes planning your day much easier. There's still room for improvement, especially for new users and some premium-only features. But overall, it's a well-designed productivity platform that does exactly what it promises. If you're looking for one app to manage your work, tasks, meetings, notes, and schedule, Routine is definitely worth trying. And that's it for this review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and subscribe for more honest software reviews, AI tools, and productivity app tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.